Welcome to I Have the Power Query. When you have an Excel problem that you need to solve quickly, this quick query. When we build, let us think we build forever. If only the same were true with spreadsheets. The world changes and you're expected to reflect those changes in Excel. Power Query shows how you can build forever. Just remember to press refresh all. This video is a follow-up on Quick Query 4, Ditching VLOOKUP. Check out the other videos in the Quick Query playlist so you can start using Excel with power. This is the table we used in the VLOOKUP video. Sales numbers for customers from different countries, different groups, and industries. We set up a customer priority table, but now we need to add to that table. Education is considered a priority too, so let's add education. 2 more countries are now a priority. You can see how this table is going to get very confusing very quickly as the priorities keep changing. This is a different approach. I've listed out all the countries and teams on a new sheet and added the priority against each one. I just need to add industry. Copy the industry column from the customer list, come up to Data and remove duplicates to make sure you just have unique values. Make it a table with Ctrl and T and name it TBL Industry. We need to add an extra column to each table. It'll become clear why shortly. The new column needs to be exactly the same on every table. Then Data, from Table Range to open the Power Query Editor, close and load to, and make a connection only for all 3 tables. Go back to the Power Query Editor by double-clicking any of the queries on the Queries and Connections sidebar. We're going to join our tables into one big table. Come up to Home, Merge Queries, and Merge Queries as New. Merge TBL Country with TBL Industry on the Match column and select OK. Click on the double diverging arrows, selecting Industry and Priority. Where each country was listed once, it is now listed for each industry. Let's do the same with the Teams table. Merge queries, this time on Merge 1 and TBL Teams. Click the double diverging arrows, select Team and Priority. This has created a table with a unique combination on each row. For example, there is only one row for the combination of Russia, Retail and Alpha. We need to combine the priorities into one. Come up to Add Column and Custom Column. Change the name to Conditions. In the formula box, double-click Priority, type AND, double-click Priority.1, type AND double-click Priority.2, then press OK. A new column has been added which returns true when all other priorities are true, otherwise it returns false. Time to tidy up. Remove the priority columns we no longer need. Change the data type of the Conditions column and change the name of the table from Merge 1 to TBL Conditions. I want to add one more condition. How long will it take? Start the clock. Come to the Teams table. I'll add a new row called Omega, set it as true and enter Match. Come back to the Conditions table, go to Data, refresh all, and there's Omega. And that's a quick query, multiple conditions in one table, quick and easy to update. In the meantime, don't forget to check out the Quick Query playlist to learn more about Power Query.